fall by water.
Yeah, Keys.
Daycare to the rescue today.
Oh man,
Did you
because it's a snow day
did
first.
you get my water bottle for school?
No, thank you.
Well, good job remembering things. Tell me your thoughts this morning.
I'm very tired.
I wonder why.
This guy. I'm disappointed in you, Massachusetts. Because if it's gonna snow and you're gonna cancel school, it might as well snow a foot instead of raining. Although I should be thankful because I'm taking my kids to daycare.
Yeah. Luckily, one of our kids goes to daycare, and our wonderful daycare provider is willing to take the other kid today, too. So, just mommy, daddy, and Stone today.
Alright, so my blanket coat.
Matthew,
Hi, I have a mobile order for Courtney.
this is Courtney.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Babe, what happened?
I
To be continued.